Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about cryptography. Cryptography is the foundation of online security, and it's important to understand how it works. I'm excited to show you how cryptography works and how it can keep your data safe. So let's get started. Today, almost every digital interaction can leave you vulnerable to being hacked. Encryption is one of the few ways to protect your data and keep it away from prying eyes. Cryptography is the science of encoding or decoding messages so that they can only be read by people who are supposed to see them. In simpler terms, cryptography is the art of keeping secrets. It has been used for centuries to protect sensitive information and keep it from falling into the wrong hands. Even today, with advanced technology making cyber attacks more prominent than ever before, cryptography remains an essential tool for securing sensitive data and personal information. What is cryptography used for? Cryptography is the process of securing communications and data so that only the intended recipients can read or understand them. This can be done with encryption, which is the technology used to secure data, and authentication, which is the process of verifying identities. Encryption is the process of transforming data, text, images, audio, etc., into a secret code that can only be decoded by the right person, via a secret key. Authentication is the process of confirming or verifying the identities of people or systems that want access to your system or data. Why is cryptography so important? Cryptography is the science of encoding or decoding messages so that only the intended recipients can read them. People have been using cryptography since ancient times to protect sensitive information. In modern times, cryptography is the foundation of the internet and any digital interaction. It keeps your money safe, your emails private, and your online dating interactions safe from scammers. Everyone uses cryptography every day, often without even knowing it. It's what allows you to use the internet safely and securely, shop online, make financial transactions, and even use dating apps like Tinder and Bumble. Cryptography is the reason why hackers can't steal your data, identity thieves can't open a new credit card in your name, and why you can safely shop online. How does cryptography work? There are two types of cryptography, symmetric and public key. Symmetric cryptography is one of the oldest forms of cryptography. It uses one key for both encryption and decryption of information. The main problem with symmetric cryptography is that all parties must somehow exchange their keys in secret. In order to send a secure message, all parties must somehow exchange their secret keys. If anyone else discovers the key, the whole system is broken. Symmetric cryptography is mostly used to secure data at rest, i.e. when it is stored, e.g. on a computer, a server, or a USB drive. It is also used to secure short-term communication sessions, e.g. when trading on the stock market. Types of cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography is based on the use of a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and a private key. It is often abbreviated as public key cryptography, PKC, or RSA cryptography, after the first widely publicized algorithms. These algorithms can be used to create a digital signature, which is used to verify the authenticity of a message or document. Symptomatic cryptography. Symptomatic cryptography is a type of cryptography that is used to mask symptoms and avoid treating the true problem. In digital security, symptomatic cryptography is often used to protect against online threats. It masks the symptoms of the problem without actually solving the underlying issue. Steganography. Steganography is the practice of concealing a message or image within another, non-secret, text or image. Steganography is a form of security through obscurity. It is not a form of cryptography, and does not work if the message is inspected or the host file is saved, copied or re-saved. Watermarking. A watermark is an embedded message or logo in paper that is not visible to the naked eye but can be seen when the paper is held up to the light or when it is scanned and processed by an optical reader. SSL. Why it's still important in 2018. The encryption protocol SSL has become synonymous with internet security. It is used to encrypt communications between a browser and a server and is therefore an important part of protecting user data during online transactions. Since the beginning of 2018, browsers have begun to mark communications as not secure when SSL is used and the server does not have an SSL certificate installed. This is because most websites are switching from using SSL to using TLS, which is considered more secure. Summary. The digital age has allowed us to connect with others around the world in ways never before possible. Unfortunately, it has also opened up new avenues for hackers and scammers to target unsuspecting victims. Customers want websites to use HTTPS, not HTTP. But for many businesses, this is easier said than done. Fortunately, there are a number of tools and resources available to help make the transition to HTTPS easier. If used correctly, cryptography can be a powerful tool for keeping your data safe and private. However, if you don't know the basics behind how it works, you might end up hurting yourself in the long run. Knowing what cryptography can do for you can help you navigate this world more confidently and safely. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.